Hello, welcome. So today I got a small haul, and guess what? I got a Lululemon bag. So the last time I was doing some online arbitrage for Amazon, and I found out it was a really good deal in leggings, and I paid around, actually it don't say, but everything come in there. I found out that I can sell Lululemon in Amazon, which is really cool. And I got a fast and free high-rise tie 25 in the size 16 and 18. So actually I was trying to see if you can fit me at least the 16. I am size 14, but it came in a really well packaged bag, and I don't mind the bag, but this is how it looks. The Lululemon is in there, which is really cool, and that's the tag in there. And I like this part because I can see in Amazon if I can sell this one, and if I can sell it and see if it's a good price. I like they have the where to put the phone and everything. So it's a really cool one. This is a size 18. That's the reason it looks really big. And actually I will try the 16 and see if that works for me, but it's fine. That's the other one. As you can see, it have becoming a little bit open. I guess it's because they want to doing in a skin the tag. I don't mind that, but that's how it is. So the price, it was $25. So Lululemon, you cannot beat that. The color is really cool. And I want to show you what I found in the thrift store. This is a tweed jacket. I've been selling the tweed jacket. Tweed jacket coming to really famous, and it's Talbot size 6. This is selling for $35, around there. I like the details in there. You see there? I really like it. Talbot is one of my #1 categories for sale. I mean, brands for sale. And this is a good one too. Is the Classy Woman for Evan Pecan. I like the detail in here. It's a wool jacket. I bought it for me. It's really cool, very trendy. So all the items that I bought in the thrift store, I actually listed, and if you sell, it's sell, right? Then I will be on the lookout for another one. And this is exact in Harbor. I like this kind of tweed too, and it's a long jacket, which is really cool. This is size 16. It fit me really well. So I love jackets. Jackets are really famous, and I love this part. See, so I can sell this one for 16. It cost me just $5. This is another Talbot. It's a color is like a pink melon, which is a really good details in here. Talbot's size medium, petite and plus size is selling really good. Talbot is a really good brand, and this is 100% cotton, so I really like it. It's a short one. I guess for petite it will be around the waist. Yep. New Balance shoes. This is a size 1 and really good thread. So don't sleep in kids shoes. They sell really well. And this is another brand that's really cool. It's Crocs, and the size 7 width. I like to pick it out which sizes, because I'm pretty sure the people who have that problem in the feet are very concerned in looking those kind of items in eBay for better prices. It's a little cleaning for these ones, but in general, really cool. Right now, we're going to drop the packages that we just did and do some sourcing for Amazon. Well, at the end, it was like 20 packages for Amazon, and I just dropped it into the post office first because that person or the person who picked up the packages for UPS coming at 4:30, so I go in there first. So I'm looking something in Walmart. So they still have good prices and the items. And check it out, this one. It was a really good one for last week.